Hello everyone, welcome to SOLIDWORKS. In this video, we will explore the table-driven pattern. So table-driven pattern is a feature that creates copies of a seed feature at specific locations defined by x and y coordinates. Unlike linear or circular patterns, this method is ideal for creating irregular or asymmetrical arrangements of features. As you can see, this is a flange bashing. It is a bearing reduced friction and support linear motion in machines, automation equipment, and other applications that require precise movement along a single axis.
To make this, first, make a box and extrude it, and then chamfer the sides of the box to have a smooth curve. And next, sketch another shape and I choose circle, then extrude. And shell the top of the circle to make a hole. After shelling, click the hole wizard in Features. Then choose any types of holes you will use and go to Positions, then Sketch 3D. And select anywhere you want to put the hole in the surface. And then, go to the reference geometry and choose Coordinates. Locate the position in the vertex of the square, and then point out the direction of the x and y axis. And after that, we will now use the table-driven pattern. In table-driven pattern, you click the feature to copy, then the double hole that you have created. In the table of the driven pattern, you have x and y axis table. You click the x and y, the x first, and put a value. And then you select another table to create another hole and estimate it. In this feature, we will have 4 holes on the square. So we will make 4 holes. And after putting scales on x and y coordinates, click the OK button.
And that's it! You have now created a flange bashing object using the table-driven pattern. Good job!